Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. We would like to make a special announcement. From V25 onwards, CADPower and GeoTools will get shipped in all 4 languages in one installer. Until now, you had different downloadable exe files and different installers for English, German, Spanish and the Portuguese version of GeoTools and CADPower. Now with V25 we are going to unify all of them into one installer. So when you buy GeoTools or CADPower, you can now switch between any of those languages with the same installer and more importantly with the same license file. This is going to make life much easier for people, especially in European countries where we have a significant user base now, and it would be easy now for you to switch from one language to another so that you can be comfortable using our products in the language that you like the most. If you have any questions, please feel free to get back to me. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.